I've been contributing to some books on edtechbooks.org and really like the platform and just wanted to give a few tips that I've learned and some things that are helpful when creating a book on edtechbooks.org. So go in, create an account, create a book. This video is going to focus on some of the settings and creating chapters. So I've already created the book. You can click here, and if you want to make your own cover, there's even instructions on how to do that. So once you have your book created, I'm going to come in here and go to this drop-down menu, add a chapter. This chapter I'm going to add, it's coming from a blog post, and it's licensed under CC BY, so I can reuse it. Just going to add the title in there, cut and copy. And then if I come down to the bottom, I can see that I have that chapter right there. So I'm going to click on the pencil to start putting in the content. Go back over, cut and copy again that content. And add it to my chapter so I can make some edits to this if I'd like, and then save the chapter. Then I'm going to add an author. Adding an author is very easy if the author's already in the system. If not, just contact the administrator of the site and they'll add the author in. I also want to show his bio at the bottom of the page, so I'll use that drop down and add the author. Now I have David Wiley as the author, and there are some other things you can do in the settings. The editor's notes are helpful if I'm working with other people and I want to have them revise some tables or other things that you want to work with. Click save, and then other editors will be able to see those notes. The abstract is nice. It's put in a little bit differently if you're using an article. The settings are just a little different than the rest of the content so that it's searchable. And that's the same down here with the keywords. I can add those keywords in, and it will create a hyperlink and link to other chapters. The copyright is going to be CC BY, and then it will automatically generate a citation for this book, but I want to put the previous one. So putting that title there, and lowercase that, but for time, also called Improving Learning is the blog. And this. So you can enter in the previous citation and save it, and it will generate it. So those are some of the key features that I've used. Let's go back and see how this is looking. So we have our author, keywords, the content. I can make a few edits to the citations that I need to, or to the content that I need to, but it's looking really good. The last thing I can do is go in, and that I would need to do is go in and organize this here, and go down to the chapter, and then just publish it when I'm ready. Excuse me. So now I have a chapter in this book, and it's a great way to start creating your own content or publishing on an open platform. So hope that was helpful.